Any mention?
May we please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention for item number 8, Your Lordship. Item number 8. Your Lordship, if 2 weeks time may be given, because I still need some more time to do further research, Your Lordship.
No objection.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Just 2 weeks at the request of the petitioner.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Thus, may beg to mention item number 14.
Yes.
It come after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection. Same order. 3 weeks at the request of the petitioner. Item 14.
Please, Your Lordship, similarly in item number 16. 16 is also same. POXO.
16 also?
Yes.
Okay, 16 also. Same order. See the counsel, sir.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. It's joint request. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 7, 8, and 9.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks, Your Lordship. We just received the brief, Your Lordship, on the last date.
Just received the brief.
Yes,
Why,
Lordship.
the brief was with somebody else before.
Yes, Lordship. Previously,
Your Lordship, Mr. Rahal Devnath was appearing in this case. So in the last occasion only we received the brief. So what has happened is now like we need to sort out some documents.
Now you're appearing for central government also.
Yes, for the EG office, Accountant General's office.
Your respondent number?
7 and 8 and 9.
Yes. Objection?
My Lordship.
Yes. Yes. The request made on behalf of the respondent number 7, 9. List is matter after 2 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 15.
Yes.
I pray 2 more weeks, Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Your Lordship, this is an application under Section 482, Your Lordship, for quashing of the impugned order passed by the POSCO judge, Your Lordship.
It relates to what?
Section 311, Your Lordship, which was rejected to call the witness.
Recall of it. Oh, sorry. Yes.
No objection.
This also 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
The request of science. Yes.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 12, Your Lordship. I've taken the consent.
Yes. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Same order. The request of the petitioner. 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged. May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Your Lordship.
Yes. What happened?
Your Lordship, my senior counsel, Your Lordship, he's not well, Your Lordship. He's still recovering.
Mr. Kinta.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're appearing for respondent number?
Your Lordship, responded number
6 and 7.
6 and 7.
My friend is for 6 and 7.
Just a request has been made on behalf of Mr. VG Kinta. Senior counsel. Appearing for the respondent number 6 and 7. To adjourn the matter on the ground of ill health. The prayer made has not been opposed by the petitioner. Prayer alert list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 1. My lord, I have filed an affidavit mentioning that respondent 2 received the notice, 5678 did not.
Then what
So
is to
for
be done?
getting the address of 5678, I have applied under RTI to the TRI for the address of these persons. And RTI may take some time. So, my lord, I may be given some more time may be given for the next date.
For verifying the address and
Yes.
taking first steps. You're paying for the state, and you. Who is respondent number 4? Is a private respondent.
Private respondent, M. Hussain.
Where do you say respondent number 2 has been served?
2 received on 26th May, I think.
No. Where is this mentioned? In your affidavit.
In the affidavit I have mentioned.
Where? Which part? Where?
Yes, ma'am.
Which page?
Actually, it's with my junior. I didn't get. Can I?
You are appearing without a brief. Where is your banded gown? You do not appear. Where is your dress?
I'm in person,
No.
ma'am.
You are appearing person.
Yes.
So where is your brief? Where is your brief?
I'm waiting for my judge. She has not come
Take
yet.
it to his, isn't
But
it?
I remember I have mentioned in the affidavit that
Where it is?
page para 1 only. I think I have given the list. All
You've
the
given supplied copy to the other side.
yes, ma'am.
Just take your help.
You have got copies.
Yes. Write down. Mr. P.K. Bora, petitioner, appearing person, submits then an affidavit in support of service of notice upon the respondent number 2 has been filed. Showing the delivery upon the said respondent. Delivery of notice upon the said respondent, which was made on 16th, 2024. Stop. However, he submits service of notice upon the respondent number 5, 6, 7, and 8 would not be affected due to insufficiency of address. The petitioner makes a prayer for allowing him some time to verify the address of the respondent number 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Sir, have you served on 3?
And
Sir.
to finish, take fresh steps. Prayer allowed, at least after 3 weeks.
Obligement.
Item number 3.
Where is he?
Oh, he sought me a copy also. This is not just a repetition of his petition.
This is all right. We are confined to those issues.
Yes.
Yes.
I pray the matter may come at the end of the board, Lordship.
Where is he?
He's in
occupied in some
courtroom
other
number.
court.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll have it.
Will wait.
Item number 9.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, we had to file a affidavit in opposition. But however, we have completed everything, but there's a signature that is required from the officer in charge. So the officer in charge is having an examination right now. We have contacted them. So as a result of that, there's a certain delay from their side.
So how much more time you will be needing?
Lordship, 3 weeks will do, Lordship.
My lords, first time they took time on March 22nd March 2024, my lords. Thereafter, my lord, they have been taking dates, my lords, for filing a short reply, my lords. Even the last date of hearing they were having in the hands in the court also, my lords, but what prevailed them not to file, my lords. Very small issue, my lords.
Now from his submission, it appears that they have prepared the objection, but then they are waiting for this signature. Yes, we'll have to give them some time. 2
Yes,
weeks.
Lord.
2 weeks time. But then if he's appearing, where is he?
Lordship, he could not appear due to certain difficulty, Lordship.
No, but then you have to contact
Lord.
him. But for signature, you cannot just give him time indefinitely.
Lordship, we had contacted the authorities. So he's saying she is appearing for examination right now, the investigation
No,
officer.
but then how long this examination will take?
Lordship probably will take.
So any superior officer who is supervising the matter also can sign.
Lordship,
It's
I'll
not required
inform,
that you have to wait for that particular person.
Lordship, I'll inform during the course of the day, Lordship.
Yeah, Mr. Hawal under GA appearing for the state respondent submits that though an objection has been prepared on behalf of the state, the same could not be filed for want of signature, as the concerned official is not available. He makes space for grant of some more time. We'll give them last chance.
Please, my lords.
That will be your last chance.
Otherwise, they should be burdened with the cost also, my lord, because the
Lordship, we have
6
prepared
months,
the affidavit.
at least 6 months have passed.
See, most of the matters it is like that. It's not something very.
Please, my lords, I am not leaving to the court.
They have their difficulties sometimes. It happens. We'll give you your last chance, Mr. Thawa.
Yes, Lordship.
In view of the submission, the state respondent is afforded another 2 weeks time as last chance to file an objection on matter. Yes, please after 2 weeks.
Please. Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is in courtroom 2.
Lordship,
What for it has come?
Yes, Lord. Your Lordship.
It has come for what? It's in the hearing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And this is what is the matter about?
It's matter about the land.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is appearing for the state? Oh, you are not audible.
Lordship, this is the quashing of.
You are not audible, madam.
My audio is on.
It's a problem.
Yes.
These are related matters.
Yes, madam.
I have in number 11, Your Lordship.
I'll just
Connected matters.
Connected matters, same FIR.
log in once again.
You're not here then. It's a problem. Yes, just tell us what is your plan.
No, like the conducting counsel is in courtroom
So
2,
what
Your
is there?
Lordship.
We'll have it sometime else. You say we can hear, cannot hear also. Yes, madam. You do not know Item number 10, you will be appearing or?
No, she is appearing.
So then we
Lordship.
cannot
The brief
hear
is
her.
with her, Your Lordship.
We cannot hear her. Proceed with these things. We'll have it
Later.
When shall we have it?
Can I have it after a week, Your Lordship, in that case? Both 10 and 11, because they're connected.
Just at the request of the parties. This matter after a week. Both the matters.
Both the matters, Your Lordship.
Yes. After a week.
Puja is not audible.
Both the matters, you record the council's name.
10 and 11, no?
Item number 13.
Yes. Oh, Mr. Harwanlang is appearing for the state here.
Yes, my
Is
lord.
he well?
Yeah, I've not seen him around, my lord. Last occasion
What
also.
problem is there, Mr. Roy? Mr. Harwanlang is not well. He was hospitalized also. On the last occasion, prayer was made on his behalf.
Yes.
Nobody is there for the state here. Not even a single state council present here. Mr. Thaba just. See, this is a Mr. Harwanlang was appearing this matter. I think she has not resumed work till now.
Yes.
So what is to be done?
Will obtain the necessary instructions.
No, but then what is to be done today?
She will inform the.
But then what order this court should pass? You see, until unless you make a prayer, then what is? You should.
May this matter come after 3 weeks.
Why not? 3 weeks is too long.
Too long, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship, please.
After a week, Your Lordship.
Okay. It is submitted on behalf of the state. Do not say that. Just on the request made on behalf of the state respondent. This is matter after a week. We'll have it after a week then. Any difficulty, Mr. Shella?
No, it's okay.
Because see, until and unless if Mr. Harwanlang is not there, just somebody should obtain the file and then take up. Because we have panel of advocates.
Yes,
you should not have difficulty.
Yes.
Your Lordship.
Second call, item number 7.
Yes.
Lordship, I have filed my written argument on the written argument on indicating the date of events. Date. I have not annexed any new things. Whatever the annexure, whatever is mentioned is from the repetition. I just put in the page number and then the annexure. I have not enclosed any new document. Nothing is there. Whatever is there in the repetition only. So I prepared a list of events also chronologically, and also the content of the. I have supplied both the written argument to both parties.
Is it written argument?
Yes, Lordship.
Why such a big written argument?
Yes, because I have narrated the facts, Lordship. All what is the events.
So what is your grounds? Just say principal grounds.
The principal ground here, Lordship, my submission is here is, though even in my some repetition, though it is not specifically, I have clearly mentioned the principle of the basic principle provided in the Dorisama case has not been followed. There is no.
No, but then that order which has been appended, that shows, that specifically records that issues were framed.
Yes, I'm saying that issue we are not denying the issue. We even filed a suggestive issue. It is on record. We are admitting. Even that filing of the suggestive issue has not been considered by the EM.
Is it? You have a record, Mr. Day.
Yes, I have the order sheet.
No, order sheet. Whether issue was framed or not, and if that all issue was framed, what are the issues?
That I have to it.
Please play this. That is a repeated argument. Yes. We'll just verify.
But if Lordship permits me,
Yes.
in his own petition, if your Lordship see, in para 7 of the appeal, he admitted that issues were framed. I'll give the page. Para obvious appeal before the EM in church. That's at page 165. page 165, his own petition, appeal. Lordship got it. Para 7, middle portion.
There are double pages.
Yes,
That
yes.
is what the difficulty is.
165.
Yes, this is his.
His appeal before the EM in charge.
Yes.
CM. Para 7, your Lordship, that the HG member registered a case by Chuencho 2013-14 and proceeded to try inquiry into the case afresh. The parties suggested the issues, and the issues suggested by the parties were framed by the London EM in charge on such and such. And issues of law were heard, and London HG member passed the order. There is Chuencho, ordering the case to be proceed and fixed under that. Issues framed. He himself said in his appeal. Now turning around, he said no issues framed.
We are saying the issue were framed, but there is no finding. Only we filed a suggestive issue. We have enclosed it.
No finding was recorded.
No finding was recorded. What is the discussion? What is the finding of the issue?
You want like a civil court to decide.
What are the issues framed there?
The issue we have enclosed it there in some. In the
which you are framed, not by which you suggested. What are the issues?
That issue, your Lordship, because though it is reflected, but from the record they have not clearly mentioned what other issue has been framed.
Your duty to find out. You see, if you now you say these issues have been framed, issues have been filed. Now you are saying that. Now, if issues have been framed, then in such a case it becomes your duty to show us at least what are the issues.
Lordship,
and
that's
then
why
we will come to the order. Then
that's
we'll
why
see
I'm saying, Lordship,
whether the court has dealt with those specific issues or not.
No, they have not dealt. I'm saying.
As you have to know the issues. Now, how do you know they have not dealt?
Lordship, that's why they just mention it. But practically, there was no issue has been framed, no issue has been discussed. It is
So now
neither from the record.
Just now you said an issue have been framed. There is no finding recorded on the issue. Now again you say that issues have not been framed.
Because the advocate, they have mentioned it.
Just produce.
They have mentioned it.
Just verify. Let us.
I will produce the record, my lord. I will not give much submission. Only one point is this, my lord.
See, with these things and all, especially what has been pointed out by the London Senior Counsel just now, it do not deserve a chance, Mr. Bhagwan.
No, Lordship, what my contention, my lord, may I humbly submit, Lordship, what I'm saying is, of course, there is a pleading in that they have mentioned it. Even my learned friend from JHDC also, they have stated they have recorded. But in practically,
what is
there is no
EM which is under challenge here?
Yes,
the order of EM, not CEM, the EM. Where
Yes.
you say that no issue has been framed. What is the
yes.
order?
EM and the CEM also.
First you come to EM's order, which is impugned here. Not
Yes,
the
there is a
order which
page
are
page
set aside.
151, my lord. This is the order of the EM. Then the
Wait. Page 151.
151. This is a very long order, my lord.
We have to see whether these issues are touched or not. It is not required that it should be recorded something like the para-wise issue 1, issue 2, issue. If you find this order touches those issues, that is good, that will be good enough. Then in such a case, you have to show us what are the issues and which part have not been dealt with by this order.
Yes, that's why I'm saying here, this is just a general speaking. Even this order, they have not specifically mentioned what other issue has been framed and whether what is the finding. Detail is not there, just only stated issue were framed, then heard the parties and only fact of the case, narrated the fact of the case,
So
and they concluded.
You say issues are not framed. Then
Not
what
framed.
about that your statement which has been pointed out just now?
That is statement before in the appeal. They have
So that is
stated,
wrong
but
statement. You want to say that you can make one statement there and you can make another statement
no. We are not saying that. We are not saying that.
What is right?
But maybe due to some mistake on the part of the accused. But on the record, your lordship, the record there is no issue. I'm submitting, my lord, repeatedly submitting. There is no framing of issues, no statement taking the witnesses, and even those documents which we have produced, they were not considered. Otherwise, there are 2 vital documents submitted by the petitioner in the court of before the court of EM and the CM. The Majumdar have also clearly stated that Majumdar.
What are those documents?
Yes, the Majumdar report.
Okay.
Majumdar
It
report.
was submitted by which way?
It was submitted by the.
By a petition.
Yes.
Where is the petition and how you show us?
Not the petition, but they have enclosed it. Majumdar has no lordship.
Mr. Sangma, you have the habit of raising many issues, and you hardly substantiate any of the. See, you raise many points.
No, lordship. My submission is that is on record. That Majumdar report is on record. It is there, but they have not considered those reports submitted by the Majumdar. Majumdar even have reported two report. One is the verification, another is the main report, where he says that he was made to sign, he was forced, he was assaulted by the private respondent, and some other person, some deacon has prepared a boundary and he was forced to sign it there. That report is there, my lord.
Yes, where it is? And this, how do you?
Yes, lordship, it is Annexure 11, my lord.
Okay.
And Annexure 11 and 10 may I read, because this is.
Page, where is what page?
Page 81. Page 81. And main report is the Majumdar report is page 81 till page 81 to 88. All these are Majumdar report. MM Sangma on 30 April 2012.
Page 81.
Yes.
Page 81 is.
81.
Page 81 is something different here, Mr. It's an English translation. Annexure 10.
Annexure 10 English version.
Is it the report you want to say?
Yes, lordship. Then there is also is written subject verification. After that also the main Majumdar report also is there. After it is page 83, Annexure 11. This is the detailed Majumdar report. I have written the type copy.
Those reports were
not considered by the court of.
These reports were there very much before the
lordship. This is very much there because we are relying on this vital issue, because Majumdar report is the main report where he has gone to the spot verification. On the basis of the spot verification, what Majumdar used to do, Majumdar will record the statement of all the parties and they will prepare the report.
Let us see what is. What is written here? What is this, Mr.? Come to page 10.
Page.
Sorry, page 81. Annexure 10.
Yeah. The Advocature Akung.
Just read it.
Advocature Akung was drawn by late Colonel Majumdar II during the British period and was given approval by WSO, the then Deputy Commissioner, which we can know from the GT record. The people of Magufara, namely Sri Sukamar D. Sangma, Sri Kribit R. Sangma, also Alison D. Sangma, along with Sri Winar D. Marak, MDC of Amongpara constituency, forced me to include the Advocature Akung with Magufara Akung.
So you forced him?
No,
you forced them.
They forced.
Relying on this.
I am relying because this Advocature Akung is my Akung.
Now you are applying the same force here. So what it mean? It means this report has to be thrown now. It's neither here nor there. How can a report be prepared like this? It is not worth consideration.
Hey, Lordship, because
let
me just complete, my lord.
What is submitting all those has been set aside.
No.
By the order. I'll come to that.
This report also has been set aside.
No, everything has been set aside. It culminated to the CM.
The report, Mr. Mohto. We are not concerned about. See, earlier round of litigation, what we understand, Those orders were interfered and it was satisfied.
No, now
So these orders are no more in existence.
Achha.
But so far as this document is concerned,
no,
if at all this document is in existence, then that should have been considered.
no. Therefore, let me come to the page 154, 52 of
Your
the. Just one
Lordship.
minute. 1 minute. Your Lordship,
May I
the
just-
opposite party failed to produce the relevant documents as himself admitted submitted before the court. No documents were produced. Now he is saying about this report.
So
on
he
this.
says these were very much part of the records.
It is on record, my lord.
These are official documents. It was not required for him to produce.
Anyway,
Yes.
Lordship. But what hearing in that time when the EM in charge, there's the order. They didn't produce any document.
No, we.
If they
As
would have
my
said
lord
that
has
there
pointed
is
out,
a
this
record.
record is very much in the office.
Now, what do we get?
Now,
from this
may I
report?
just
Now,
read?
do you want us to pass something on basis of this report? Then we take into consideration this report and we say you have applied force.
No, this Majumdar report here, the Majumdar is saying that he was forced to support the private respondent.
Is
It is very clearly stated that Adu Gachor Akung was.
Okay, to include.
Yes, Adu Gachor Akung was. He was forced to
This
include.
report was not considered.
This was never considered. This is the verification, and he said that because of some people have forced him.
This report was a part of record, isn't it?
This is the part of record actually. This is the Majumdar report. It is in the office because Majumdar is a staff of the GHDC. Usually the EM in charge will always direct the Majumdar for if there is any dispute with Akung or Nokmasif.
Now, have you raised this ground before the appellate authority?
Yes,
That this document
we
was-
have raised.
Okay.
Then the Annexure 11 is very long this report, but I'm saying that this 11 also is very important.
Okay, so this is also prepared by the district council official.
Law officer. Here, if we read the entire report, it will reveal everything how the
Okay, so this report was very much a part of
record, and this is submitted by the Majumdar, and this was never considered. May I read? But this is very.
You do not have to read.
Very.
This is good enough.
Yes,
If it is shown
law.
that it is not been considered, then it's a good ground to interfere. We'll have to remand this matter back then for reconsideration. If that is the thing.
Yes, Lordship. Because in the report he says that some one particular deacon outsider, he has prepared a map, everything, and the opposite party has forced the Majumdar to sign on that day. Even in the report he has mentioned all those.
Yes, anything else you want to say? So your ground is issues are not framed? Framed or not framed?
I'm saying the issue have not been framed and
issue
it's
is not
not
framed?
discussed.
It is not framed and not discussed.
Not discussed,
So once
not
it is
finding.
not framed, that means that is not discussed.
Yes.
Then the document is not considered.
Document, vital document will never
These are the
considered.
documents. And these are the official documents. It
Yes.
was not upon you to produce it.
Yes.
It was available there.
There. That is the only.
Yes. Any rebuttal to those things? Whether these documents are considered or not, how will verify? If it is not considered, then we are interfering. That is what.
Page 81 is a letter which has been written by some MM Sama. This appears to be Il Mozart. To whom he is addressing this letter, we are not sure. Now I have to check the record whether this.
Who is Mojadar? Mojadar is not.
Mozadar is the officer or the appointees of district council. Yes.
Then?
But to whom he is addressing this letter, he has not mentioned anywhere. In
See,
this
it speaks about verification. On verification of what that definite question. You do one thing. I think you take obtain record, and that will be better that we can assess it.
Yes. Moreover, this one that we'll clarify on the next week when you produce the record, that whether this was a part of the record.
Definite. Exactly. Once you obtain record, this will be revealed.
Exactly. Second thing, what my learned senior, I will just come back to that point where my learned senior has pointed out that in his appeal, he says that the issues was framed. He has submitted the issues and issues was framed. Now he come to the other forum and he said the issues has not been
No,
framed.
if you discard also, these two is it. See, other grounds are till now, this court is not very much convinced with regard to the submission made with regard to issues. Okay. It is definitely once it is recorded in the order, we will not disbelieve any order until and unless there is some material to show. Even if you discard it, these two grounds remain. This document.
One is this, and the other point, man, so that I can answer.
These two documents, page 81 and 83.
81 and
83 or 84?
Yes, 83. 83 till.
That is also your document, official document.
Yes, these have been addressed to the CE. Yeah.
Yes. So whether those documents were considered
or not. Yes.
If it is not considered, then definitely matter will go back again.
I will find it out. Give me some time, my lord. I will ask for the entire record. Then we will classify the record and produce.
Yeah, please. Once it comes to you, if it is a very bulky error, please find out sort out the things and then.
Yeah, I will give you classified.
Okay. We'll wait for the records, Mr. Mohammed.
As your lordship, please. But the order itself, it reflects everything. Therefore, your lordship, in fact, what he is saying, all those things that earlier first order litigation, everything has been set aside. Then even the records, I have your lordship the documents. Her husband said that she's not having that that king is wrong.
See,
both
Mr.
statements
Mohanto,
recorded.
this court will definitely not going to merit.
Yes.
Definitely. You know the scope of judicial review.
Yes, I understand.
If something is there on record, that has to be considered.
Yes.
Now, whether in which manner they consider it, there's a difference. Whether they interpret in your favor or in their favor, it is their thing. We are not going to interfere there. But then it has to be considered. Once it is showed, it is not considered, his submission is correct, then matter will.
As your lordship, please. So let record come, because Nokma Council, the evidence also there, even her own husband's evidence, everything is with it.
Had the landed councils appear with the parties. It is contended by the petitioner that certain documents have not been considered by the authorities below while passing the impine orders. Mr. Day. Under council, appearing for the district council, there's no ready instruction to reply the contention and made a prayer to allow him to produce the record.
The entire record.
Produce the entire record of the matter. Do you have to identify, or you say entire record of the matter will do? Entire record of the matter.
Entire record, I'll take. But I will place a classified portion.
Whatever it is, you see, do not suppress any part.
No, there is nothing to be suppressed, my lord. Otherwise, that is why I have said the entire record. Tomorrow he will say, my lord, he has not given A, B, file.
Yes. What is it? Submits that you will have to produce the entire record on the next on the next date of hearing. Stop. In view of the submission, this is matter when?
After 3 weeks, my lord. Since I need to
After 3 weeks?
Lordship.
After 3
Your
weeks?
lordship, 3 weeks will be too long, I think.
Classifications, I will take a bit of time.
You are
This
the
our
respondent.
Garo language will be there if in case.
If it is too thick, then you'll have to probably
classify them.
verify.
And they have to send me also.
Because the problem is that the original record do classify, original records will speak the whole things. That's what I feel. Because what happened in 1988, no, what the report he is making in 1988, due to his name is M. Sangma, is Muslim M. Sangma. A Musalman M. Sangma. His name is that. Muslim M. Sangma. He manipulated in 1988 the documents.
Anyway,
is
Mr. Mahanto, you are again going
Yes,
to the
only
merits.
on time. Now
This
is-
court is not at all, because
Yes,
you see,
yes,
these
yes.
kind of things we will not be able to
Yes,
I understand.
come to any
Therefore,
point.
therefore I don't
You will
want
say
to
one thing,
go.
you will deny. Then you will make counter allegation.
Yes.
Then that will become. Okay.
After 3 weeks, after 3
What do you say? Revision submission made? Please this matter. 3 weeks.
Lordship.
2 weeks. We enable Mr. Day to produce the entire.
3 weeks, my lord.
Yes,
Lordship,
3 weeks.
Lordship.
We have given you 3 weeks. Yes. Now, this appears to be primarily a good thing. If your record supports you, definitely you got it in your favor. So maybe you are successfully turn the pendulum in your favor. Maybe.
No,
Let us.
I'm trying to assist the from base of my
Definitely. You see, it is very good thing. But then once you say something, you substitute.
Lordship.
Onus is on you. Onus is on you. You see, in view of the whatever is recorded there, the court may not call for records. Then you will be in difficulty.
Your Lordship.
Nothing more.
Good day, Your Lordship.